Hey, welcome back. And today we're diving into something that pretty much every busy professional thinks about, even if it's just in the back of your mind. It's that moment when you're sitting at your desk, or you're commuting home, or maybe scrolling through your bank app and thinking, all right, there has to be a smarter way to build wealth without sacrificing more of my time. Because here's the truth: time is the rarest thing in your life right now. You've got your career, your responsibilities, maybe a family, maybe a side hustle, maybe hobbies you barely get to anymore. The last thing you want is to add more work to your plate. You're not trying to become a full-time landlord. You're not trying to become a part-time contractor. And you're definitely not trying to deal with clogged toilets, property drama, or chasing down tenants. But deep down, you also know real estate is one of the most powerful wealth building tools out there. It's reliable, it's stable, it's proven. And you've probably watched other people benefit from it and thought, I want that too, but I don't want the headaches. So today, I want you to have a long, slow-paced, genuine conversation with you. Not hype, not pressure, just clarity. Let's talk about the real, accessible, low-stress way busy professionals are getting into real estate without turning their lives upside down. Let's start with something that feels almost like a secret, even though it shouldn't be. Real estate syndications. Now, you've never heard that word before. Don't worry. Most people haven't. It sounds complicated, but it's actually just a fancy word for teamwork. It's when a group of people pull their money together and buy something bigger and better than what they could buy alone. Think of it like this. When you picture big apartment buildings, the ones with 300 units, amenities, most people imagine some giant corporation or billionaire owns them. But in reality, a lot of these buildings are owned by groups of everyday professionals. Teachers, engineers, nurses, small business owners, people just like you who invested passively through a syndication. And here's the part that makes such a perfect fit for busy professionals. You do none of the work. There's a professional team called an operator or a sponsor whose job, literally their full-time career, is to run the entire project. They find the property, they negotiate a deal, they oversee renovations, they handle the business plan, they manage the tenants, they manage the contractors. They handle all the financials. They do all the heavy lifting. You simply invest and enjoy. Cash flow, profit from the property when it sells, tax benefits, and equity growth. Without ever having to swing a single hammer, talk to a tenant, or even visit the property unless you want to. What I love about syndications is they give busy professionals access to real estate at a scale you normally never get to touch. You're not buying a single rental property. You're owning a slice of something powerful, something stable, something managed by experts who live and breathe real estate. Now maybe you're listening to this and thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but what if I want something that even more hands-off, something truly set up and forget about it? That's where REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust, comes in. Think of a REIT as the stock market version of real estate. You open the app, you buy shares, and suddenly you're invested in commercial properties. Apartments, buildings, data centers, retail parks, you name it. It's like owning real estate without ever touching real estate. You don't need a down payment. You don't need a loan. You don't need to sign paperwork. You don't need to deal with taxes or maintenance or repairs. You just buy shares. And REITs pay dividends regularly. It's simple, it's flexible, and it aligns perfectly with a busy lifestyle. You can invest from your phone. You can cash out whenever you want. No commitment, no complexity. And here's something else I want you to really sit with for a moment, because it's one of the most misunderstood parts of building wealth. Most people think real estate success comes from hustling harder, grinding, being everywhere at once. But the truth is, the people who win with real estate aren't the ones doing the most work. They're the ones making the smartest decisions early. They're the ones who choose passive systems over active stress. They understand that wealth compounds in the background, quietly, while they focus on their careers and their families. Real estate isn't just about buying property. It's about buying time. It's about buying peace of mind. It's about building something that grows even when you're asleep, or on vacation, or deep into your workday. And once you experience that feeling, the feeling of knowing your money is earning money without you lifting your finger, it changes the way that you see your entire financial future. You stop asking, can I afford to invest? And you start asking, how soon can I put my money to work again? Because the more passive your investments becomes, the more freedom you unlock. And that's the goal here. Not just wealth, but freedom, stability, and options. When we zoom out and look at all of this, you start to realize something important. Real estate today is not what it was in the past. You don't have to buy a fixer-upper. You don't have to be the landlord that's fully actively managing it day to day. You don't have to learn construction or deal with constant drama. There are smarter, calmer, and more structured paths to building real estate wealth that actually fit a busy lifestyle. You don't need to chase deals. You don't need to flip houses. You don't need to manage contractors. You don't need to collect rent. You don't need to take on massive risk. You can invest intelligently, passively, and strategically, even with limited time. And to make all of this even easier, we're giving out something that will help you understand these options in minutes, not months. We're giving out the Busy Professionals Real Estate Passive Income Cheat Sheet. This breaks everything down clearly. How busy professionals are earning monthly real estate backed income without being landlords and without stepping into risky deals. The link is in the description. It's also pinned in the top comment, so you can grab it easily. And if you want to explore more or learn about what we do, you can always head over to our website called ritzelhomes.com. Real estate doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be stressful. And it definitely doesn't have to consume your time. There are smarter, more strategic ways to build wealth. Ways built for your lifestyle. And now you know exactly where to start. Go and build that wealth today.